Hey, I'm Scott Grove from Imagine Grove, and I've been using a woodworking router for over 40 years. In the last 10 years, I've been teaching curved joinery and inlay. In fact, I even wrote a book about it. And in that process, I realized the need for an offset router base. How many of you have ruined a project by the router tilting because the weight is off-center? Very frustrating. Well, with an offset router base, that prevents that. Gives you more stability, more control, and more precision. So I went and designed the ultimate router base. This router base has all the features I could possibly think of. It accepts a standard 1 3/16 template guide. I also provide a removable center disc for larger router bits. I include a template guide along with an 1.5 and 2-inch bushing. This allows you to offset the router bit to either side of the cutting seam, much like those little inlay bits, but supersized. I've given you all the hardware you need, including low-profile bolts and tightening knobs. I provide guide pins with nylon bushings, and when installed in the ultimate router base, you can create a self-centering mortising cut. Also, if you install them in the fence slots, it allows you to profile a curved edge while maintaining a consistent distance. The router base also has slots on either side for custom fences and guide pins, has a center slot for circle cutting and large radius cuttings with a ruler so you can make precise adjustments. I have universal holes that fit most common routers on the market today. It also has enough room where you can install your own router, and I have videos to show you how to do that. I give you a centering pin, and when used with a template guide, it allows you to mount a router dead center to the ultimate router base. I've given you extra holes on the outside so you can mount this router to a router table or add a shim sheet for flushing or flattening a board. One of the best features about this router base, patent pending, is I've given you a very simple way to do a reduction cut, meaning the distance between the curve edge and the center is 4.5 inches. So you can make a rough cut with that, and then by turning the router base, the distance between the straight edge and the center is 4 7/16 of an inch. So that gives you a reduction cut of 1/16 of an inch. It's a great way for making a rough cut and then a fine cut without monkeying around changing your fences and what have you. Oh, almost forgot, but wait, there's more. I also give you a parallel drawing disc. This allows you to draw a 1/2-inch line parallel to a template. It also fits into the 1.5-inch bushing, which draws a 3/4-inch line, and fits into the 2-inch bushing, which draws a 1-inch line parallel to your template. It's great for layout and cutting off excess material. Online, I have videos of showing you how all these features work. Thanks again for watching.